Alright, so in today's video, we're going to talk about how to transfer your BNB token from Binance to MetaMask without having any issue. Alright, if you all remember this video I made about how to recover coin, you discovered that I made a mistake right there, and that was the genesis of this whole coin recovery series that came up later on. And that was me trying to transfer Ethereum and then later on try to transfer BNB to MetaMask, and it never reflected. Alright, so in this video I'm going to teach you how to transfer your BNB coin from Binance to MetaMask directly without having any issue, so that you don't have any issue of coin loss or whatever. Because in most cases, if you lose your coin, in most cases you can lose it entirely and without having any trace of it. So be sure that you subscribe to this channel if you are not already subscribed. Like this video and then comment. All right, so at the end of the video you can start to share to your family members if you want them to be educated, or your friends if you want them to be educated in the line. So let's just dive right into the video without further ado. All right, this is a very simple process to go through. First of all, the first thing that I have to do right now here is log onto my Binance account. I believe you all have a Binance account. Open your Binance account. All right, your Binance account should be fully functional. All right, then now the BNB I want to send, let's say the BNB I want to send is on Binance. Right now I'm making this tutorial. I've done this thing over and over and over and over and over. So I'm making this tutorial. I don't have a BNB in the Binance account, but I'm just going to show you guys how this is done. All right. So now go to your MetaMask. This is my MetaMask right here. Now, first thing you have to understand is your MetaMask on Ethereum address or Binance matching address? Typically, MetaMask is built on Ethereum address, but if you've added smart chain address to it, then what do they call it? If you've added smart chain to it, then you can transact like that. So this is how you know if your MetaMask is on Ethereum address. You can see here this particular MetaMask here is on Ethereum address. You can see Ethereum mainnet network. That's what I meant to say. Ethereum network is on Ethereum network. So if yours is on Binance Smart Chain network, it's a different thing altogether. All right. So you can see I have a whole lot there. All right. Now I have to go here. Let me say add token and then search BNB, and to just come up, click on it, and then click add token, and then you see it's added. Then click on BNB. When you click on BNB, wait for it to load up. When we click on it, we are just trying to copy the address. It's okay. It was taking some moment to load. All right, so now click on receive. So now this BNB you see right here is not smart chain BNB. This is Binance. This BNB is on Ethereum mainnet network. So click on receive. So you copy the address from here. All right, you copy the address. You can see here I can either scan this code or copy the address. Either one works. Copy the address. And now when you get to, let's go back to Binance right now. When you get to your Binance, go to Binance, click on wallet, and then click on withdraw. So click on BNB, and then if you had screenshotted that this scan code, you will just have to scan it. But in this case, we copied it. Then I'm just going to have to paste it here. Now be sure that the last digit, 2 digit of the what you copied is the same thing with this particular one here. Can you see? You can see the last 2 digits right there. Can you see it? All right, because that is if your wallet or maybe your phone or your device is not infected with some virus that duplicate or changes address. All right, then paste that in there, and then switch this address here to Ethereum. You switch it to to 𝐒𝐅𝐵. I believe Binance just deactivated 𝐒𝐅𝐵 for some few seconds, for some few moments right now, and they always do that once in a while. So, all right. So now enter the amount you want to send. For now, there's no BNB right here. In most cases, you click max if you want to send all, and then once you click on withdraw and you enter your phone number, phone code, and then phone code and what again, your phone code and then your email code I sent to your email, and once you hit withdraw, it is gone. But one thing is that you should make sure that this place here is 𝐒𝐅𝐵 and not BEP20, not BEP20. All right. I think they are updating this site right now. So for some moment they deactivate some addresses and then they reactivate it. They deactivate some network and then they reactivate it back. So just do that. Once you do that, it will automatically reflect here. But if eventually you have made a mistake and then you sent it here already and it's not reflecting, now what you have to do in that situation, now you have to check out that video I just showed you guys from the beginning, or maybe in the description, on how to recover coins sent to wrong address, and then you'll be able to just still recover it within the same wallet. And what that entails is just adding a new wallet, adding a new network, that's the Binance Smart Chain network, to this uh, wallet that you have right here, and that is done. So it's just as simple as that. So if by now you're not subscribed to my channel, please do well to do so. Hit the subscription button right there and then like this video. Encourage me by liking. So see you in my next video.